ago, I have been looking at my tray and I have decided that there's a few more things I want to do. That always happens, but I keep looking at my fabric and there's a really pretty green color in there, and I have chosen Martha Stewart's green olive. Martha Stewart's green olive. And I'm just going to go into the red and add a stripe all the way down. Do I hear somebody? Somebody come in my studio? Elizabeth? Jamie? I thought somebody came in my studio. I heard a door open. And I'm going to have to get me a do not disturb sign. Now I'm going to go in the red. I haven't done anything in the red part. And I'm going to add this really pretty green all the way down. And this is going to give me the extra color that I wanted. I don't know if I ever told you, but about halfway through everything I have ever painted, I have wanted to throw it in the trash about halfway through. But I have learned if I just keep going, then I'll finally get what I want. I'll like it finally, usually. Pretty green. I love it. Remember I told you my daughter said I said so too much. Well, I listened to my last recording and I said it several times. Too many. That's going to be a habit hard to break, I think. And you know, you don't have, my painting is nothing laser-like. Everything's a little, you know, nothing's perfect. My stripes can be crooked. My paints can overlap in color. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're not after perfection. We're after an illusion, I guess. What feels good. What feels good to me. Trying to see. I have my little close-up camera here so that you can see what I'm doing a little bit better than from far away. Well, how about that? I'm done all the way around with my little green stripes. Now, that's added more color. A little more color. It's going to look really good on my deck with my fabric. So, I said it again. You know, I'm going to have to quit worrying about that. I really am. Unless you guys start commenting about it whenever I start my YouTube channel. I don't know if these will ever make it, the channel, or if I'll ever publicize these brand new ones, but I'm having so much fun. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is after I finished this little yellow ochre border, and I did 2 coats, so it looks really good. I did the inside of the handles where it's got the little raised part. So that's done. And now I love to do dots, so I'm going to have to put some dots on here. And this I'm going to do in the black. Martha Stewart's Beetle Black. At the end of this project, I probably will make a list of all the supplies that I have used. But I have this little thingy that I make my dots with, so I'm just going to start and go ever so closely all the way around and put a little, it's really pretty. I love the way everything finishes out. But these little dots are going to be so cute, and I'm going to go all the way around a little dot on the top of the rim. It adds a little special effect, and it gives it a little raised effect. When I put this the top coat, I forget what it's called. Anyway, the clear gloss. It's clear gloss. The clear gloss on it. It's going to make all this all my paints are thicker than most people put their paints on, and so it gives almost a little 3D or 2D or whatever effect. It's really pretty. I love the way everything finishes out. But these little dots are going to be so cute, and I'm going to go all the way around, and I just go and go and go till I get to the back to where I started. I don't measure this, it's just however my little thing goes down. And this, by the way, is from my girl that does my nails. One day she was doing the little flowers on my toes, and I said, I need a little thing like that to make my dots. Because I used to do it with the tip of a brush. But this way is so much easier, and it makes a more even dot. So she gave it to me, and I've had it now for a long time. I think that nail girl is long gone, but I'll never forget her for giving this to me. I'm just going to do this one side, and then I think I will let you have a bit of a break, and I'll finish this up and come back and show you later. I think you're getting the idea. That's what I want you to get. It's the idea of what you can do. And these little dots, I do them on a lot of things. They're so cute. Okay. I don't know if that even shows up in this light or not. Can you see over there or over here? You know, it's nighttime. It's nighttime in my studio. I'm actually waiting on one more nice spotlight to come that hopefully is going to make my lighting better. I'm working on this every day to get it a little bit better, a little bit better. It's never going to be like some of the things I've seen on YouTube. My lands, those people are real professionals. I am not a real professional. So, I guess I'm going to say goodbye once again and hope that you have a big, nice evening. And I will finish this and we'll see you tomorrow. I love these little clickers. Especially when they work the first time.